American car dealerships are enormous. Behind me is a typical site here in the United States. It's got hundreds of cars in stock, huge workshops and acres of parking. In the UK, this would be considered massive, but here it's completely normal. So why are these American car dealerships so big? If you're used to UK dealerships, the first thing that hits you is the scale. In the UK, an average sized dealer might hold 100 cars. In the States, well, it's completely normal to see 800, even 1,000 on one site. And it's not just the cars. The buildings are enormous, the service departments are massive, and the parking alone feels like a retail park. But what's driving that scale? Well, the first thing to take into account is the culture is very different. In the US, car buying is an event. The showrooms are huge and they're used to dealing with hundreds of customers every day. Some have built-in sweet shops, ice cream stalls, and even pizza machines to keep customers happy. The American model leans into the theatre of buying, and that means you need a big stage. To give you an idea of the scale of these American dealers, I've come here to Longo Toyota. We're just outside LA and this dealership is absolutely huge. It covers 50 acres. That's the equivalent of 25 UK football pitches, and it is massive. We're here on a Saturday afternoon and it is very busy. You can choose from hundreds of new cars and hundreds of used cars. It's so big that the staff take you around on golf carts to get to the vehicle you're looking for. You can even get a Starbucks in the built-in Starbucks cafe or a Subway inside. This place is massive and shows you just how big these dealerships in America can be. In the UK, it's not unusual to wait weeks, even months for your new car to arrive. In the US, dealers carry large on-site inventory, especially for new cars. Consumers can walk on, choose between rows of the same vehicle in different colours and specifications. And remember, American vehicles are physically bigger too, so they need more space. Full-size pickups and SUVs take up far more space per unit than the average UK hatchback. These things make a Range Rover look small. Most Americans also want things now, and that's just as true for their cars as it is for any other area of their lives. That results in huge forecourts full of choice. Dealerships are usually built on wide suburban roads, often clustered together in auto rows off the highway. The whole geography of where people live and shop makes big plots normal. In Britain, land is scarce, expensive, and planning permission is hard to get. In much of the US, none of this really matters.
Backed by decades of experience, we're connecting every stage of the automotive industry, from helping vehicle retailers fill forecourts and boost cash flow, to helping your customers buy their next car or van. Cox Automotive is your partner in maximising margins. We make the entire vehicle lifecycle one seamless experience, always innovating to give you the tools, technology and solutions to put you ahead of the competition, today and tomorrow. Experience Cox Automotive. Experience more.
The US dealers are good at protecting their interests. The franchise dealers have a strong lobbying group, something sadly lacking over here, and it's not afraid to fight. In many states, manufacturers are heavily restricted on how they can sell directly to customers. Dealers are often granted protected territories. Traditional car makers are largely required to go through franchise dealers, and that gives them security. It also allows them to invest in huge, long-term facilities without fear of being undercut. The US car market is also huge. New car sales are around 15 to 16 million units a year. The UK is around 2 million in a good year. The used market is even more dramatic. America shifts tens of millions of used cars annually. The market is simply bigger, and the infrastructure has scaled with it. But is this model actually better? Big sites mean huge overheads, huge staffing costs, and huge stock exposure. When the market is strong, it works brilliantly. But when things get tough, the pressure can be intense. America shows what happens when you combine cheap land, strong franchise laws, and a massive market. You get giant dealerships. And once you've built that scale, you tend to stay big. So the next time you see an American dealership like this one, now you know why. It's not just about showmanship, it's about economics, geography, and most importantly, American culture. For more videos like this one, check out our YouTube channel, the Car Industry Explained playlist. And for our take on the automotive world every week, check out our podcast. It's on the usual platforms and on our second YouTube channel, Car Dealer Magazine 2. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.